Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Fuzzy Peterson. 3 weeks ago, I uploaded a video called 5 Tips to Keeping Busy During Lockdown. Subsequently, I've decided to challenge myself to those ideas. The first challenge, getting creative with a camera, that was uploaded about 2 weeks ago. So here goes the second challenge. Today we are going to transform an empty coffee jar into a bedside lamp. Let's do this. For this project you will require an empty coffee jar with pre-drilled holes. I have linked my video on how to drill a hole through glass at the end of this video. You will also require some electrical wire, a light fitting, a switch, a plug, some screwdrivers, a wire cutter. If you don't have a wire cutter, an ordinary cutting tool would suffice. Last but not least, you will need a lampshade and a bulb. Now to assemble this lamp. Thread your electrical wire through the hole in the bottom of the glass jar. Now insert the electrical wire into the top of the glass jar. If you are not comfortable with this part of the project, please feel free to ask someone within your household to assist. The distance of the switch is entirely up to you. You decide how far down you would like to put the switch. Using your knife, gently cut in between the two wires, ensuring not to damage them. Now using your wire stripper, cut one of the wires into half. Now strip away 1 centimeter on each side of the cut wire. You can now proceed to connect your switch. The last step would be to connect your plug. Go ahead and do this. The fun part about this lamp is that you can choose whatever you'd like to fill it with. Preferably not flammable though. Finally, it's time for your lampshade and your bulb. The bedside lamp is now ready to be used. Enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.